In this video, we will cover how to prepare your PowerFry Series Fryer with built-in KleenScreen Plus Filtration for initial operation. In partnership with Hobart Service and authorized warranty service providers, Vulcan offers a new equipment checkout free of charge. The new equipment checkout ensures equipment has been properly installed and is operating correctly. To schedule, contact your sales representative. Before first use, follow these steps to ensure that your fryer is operational and all parts and accessories are thoroughly cleaned before first use. Cleaning. New units are wiped down at the factory to remove any visible signs of dirt, oil, or grease remaining from the manufacturing process. Before any food preparation, thoroughly wash the protective oil from all surface parts and the tank interior with hot soapy water to remove any film residue and dust or debris. Important: do not use chlorine or sulfate or sulfide cleaners. Wash any included parts and accessories shipped with the unit. Rinse accessories thoroughly and dry the parts before usage. Warning: never run water through the motor pump. This can result in permanent damage to the unit, rendering it unusable and may void your fryer's warranty. To drain the fryer tank of water, open the fryer doors and unscrew the drain plug. Once the drain plug is removed, assemble the boil-out bypass pipe into the fryer drain valve. Assemble the boil-out bypass pipe through the red oil manifold pipe and screw it into the drain valve. Additionally, you can use a high-temperature water hose attached to the end of the boil-out bypass pipe to reach a floor drain. Open the drain valve to drain the fryer tank of water and cleaning solution. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and wipe the tank completely dry with a lint-free, soft, clean cloth. Remove the boil-out bypass pipe by unscrewing it and attach it back to its holder. Reattach the boil-out plug by screwing it in tightly and close the drain valve. The boil-out plug should only be tightened by hand. Adding shortening. Fill the fryer tank with liquid shortening. Shortening level should be between the min and max lines in the fryer tank. Shortening will expand when heated. Do not fill the fryer tank past the max line. Turn the PowerFry Series Fryer to the on position. Allow shortening to heat up to set temperature. Add fresh shortening as needed, as foods will absorb shortening. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan PowerFry Series Fryer with built-in KleenScreen filtration. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.